Hi everyone! Welcome to this video on how to cancel automatic payment on PayPal. First, go to paypal.com and log in to your account. Once you're on the main page, click the settings icon in the top right-hand corner. This will take you to the settings page. Next, click on the Payments tab at the top. This will direct you to your Payments page, which is divided into 3 sections: online purchases, in-store purchases, and automatic payments. Since we want to cancel an automatic payment subscription, click on Automatic Payments. You will be taken to a page listing your current subscriptions, both active and inactive. To demonstrate this tutorial, I will cancel my Apple Services subscription. Find the subscription you want to cancel and click on it. Then, click Cancel at the top. PayPal will ask you to confirm if you really want to cancel your subscription. Click Cancel Automatic Payment to confirm. After that, PayPal will notify you that your subscription cancellation is in progress. Click Done, and you will be taken to your canceled subscriptions page. You will see that your subscription is now labeled as inactive, meaning it has been canceled. That's how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.